Guys, how are you? Hope you're fine now. So welcome back to another video at Smooth Love Potions. Guys, in this video I'm talking about today update about Smooth Love Potion. What's going on? What's the price? So going to Smooth Love Potion. Let me show you, but before starting this video, I request everybody to please make sure to subscribe ABS Tech channel for more news and updates videos. So guys, first of all, if you look the latest price of the Smooth Love Potion in the market, so 0.186885 USD dollar, that is the live and latest price of the Smooth Love Potion in the market. On the other hand, if you look the changes occur in the Smooth Love Potion, so you can see here the last 1 hour, last 1 day changes of the Smooth Love Potion is positive. Latest changes is positive. So first of all, I think that's really a good news for all of you that the latest situation of the Smooth Love Potion is going positive. So very congrats to all SLP holders. Guys, from the price chart you can see here absolutely Smooth Love Potion is now trending coin in the market. Everybody can know about the SLP coin, my friends, because now it is a trending SLP and Axis, Exile Infinity, and same like that the Sitama. These are now trending coin in the market. So if you want to invest in a cryptocurrencies market, so invest in this coin, because in a nowadays this token is positive in the market, so invest in this coin. Positive 5.53% the changes occurred in SLP in the last 1 day, my friends. Absolutely, now they are in the jumping mood, and my friends, my personal prediction about SLP is 100% positive. I'm sure about that they will continue this pump for long time. Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe our channel for more news and updates videos.